Hello, I'm Gareth Newby from Preston Baker in Oakwood, and today we've got another absolutely amazing property for you to come and see. So it's a month before Christmas and this one is an absolute treat, so why don't we come and take a look inside. So what we've got for you today is a 5-bedroom detached property. Now, I walked up from our office, which is just next to Oakwood Clock and Roundhay Park. It took me about 4 minutes to get here, so you're close to all the brilliant amenities that Oakwood and Roundhay have got to offer. Now, just take a look at this house behind me. This is a picture box house. If I was going to draw a picture of a house and put it on a Christmas card, this is what it'd look like. You've got parking for, I don't know how many cars. You could probably put about 15 cars on this driveway. There's electric gates, all done in this beautiful Art Deco style, which matches some of the features inside the property. If we take a look down the side here, we've got this beautiful long driveway leading to the double garage at the bottom. So as you can see, this is going to be a really popular property. So what I advise is you contact the office, get your details registered as soon as possible. Why don't we take a look inside? So now we are into the interior of this absolutely fabulously welcoming home. Now, I hope you get a real feel for this place. We're in the entrance hall here. It's a really grand entrance hall. One of my favourite features of this property is this staircase. It goes all the way up both floors. It's fabulous. So when you come and see it, just really take a look at this staircase. Now, entrance hall, nice and wide, leads down to the utility rooms down there, but come and take a look at the kitchen in here. So in here we have walnut worktops, Belfast sink. There's underfloor heating. It's engineered oak flooring. It's a fantastic shaker style kitchen, really on trend. And then into my favourite room in the property, the family room, with the bifolding doors that open out onto this amazing garden outside. So I hope you get a real feel for this property. It's a family home. It's been sympathetically extended. It's on a great street. Take a look at this. This is one hell of a log burner. Keep you warm in the winter. Okay. I'd like to show you my favourite bedroom of the property. There's 5 bedrooms in this house. The bathrooms, as you can see, they're all wonderful. The wood just keeps going throughout the property. There's all these beautiful wooden features. But come and take a look at this upstairs. So here we are up on the top floor. This is the 5th bedroom with an ensuite. This is my favourite room. Check out some of the detail here. We've got exposed brick. We've got this beautiful vaulted ceiling. Great space. Let's have a recap. We've got Oakwood Park. It's a 5-bedroom detached property, about 5 minutes walk from Roundhay Park and all the amenities. Some great schools nearby. It's a real family street. All the houses on the street are very individual. Take a look at the back, you can see what you're getting. The garden's fantastic. We've got a large driveway with a double garage, off-street parking, got the electric gates, everything that you possibly need for a brilliant family home. So why don't you give us a call at the office? We'll tell you a little bit more about it. This is just a little bit of a teaser for you to give you a flavour of what we've got. Come along to the launch day and register your interest. See you soon.